thanks to Friday Parts, they reached out to me. They wanted to give me some tools to try out just to see if we would like them and just review them a little bit. And so yeah, let's open the box and see what they've sent us here. Yeah, my channel's been growing, so thanks to them, they reached out and they're like, hey, we want to support your channel. So they sent me a few things here, and let's see what we got inside here. So we got, we will have to open this up and see what's all in here, but there's two things in here. Box out of the way, and we'll unwrap some of this packaging. Okay, let's see what we got. We'll do a big one first here. In here. Oh, sure wrapped up pretty good. So, first thing we've got is a digital torque wrench. So, there we go. In the package, it's a 1/2-inch torque wrench, looks like. So, we will get some tires on a truck or something, and we'll try this out and see how it holds up and yeah, how accurate it is. We have another torque wrench, so maybe we'll put the both of them up against each other a little bit and then see how they work. Yeah, no, sounds pretty nice and solid. Plastic handle, maybe would be nice if it was rubber, but my guess is batteries are probably already inside. I'll have to read the instructions on how to use it. It's not turning on right now, but we'll try to figure out how to use it, and then we'll put it to the test and see how it does with torquing some wheels. And then, what do we got next? Where do we start? Oh, there's a bag right there, so cut that right away. And we have moisture tester for bales. So they reached out, they're like, what would you need? It's like, well, the moisture tester would be pretty handy. We do baling a lot, lots of hay in the summer. So, well, it's pretty small. It's smaller than I expected it to be, but yeah, it doesn't have batteries in it. Looks like it uses some AAAs, but we'll get some batteries in it, and then we will take this out to some bales and test it. I'll put it up against our Hyper moisture tester, and then we'll just see. Hopefully they both are accurate and working really good. Yeah, let's put them to the test. So again, here's both tools. It's a torque wrench, instruction manuals in there. I'm gonna get batteries. I don't have batteries on me right now. Here's the Hay Moisture Tester, and yeah, we will put batteries in and let's test them out. And also, Friday Parts, I'm guessing, I don't know if they reach out to me just for the YouTube channel, but also we have bought parts from them in the past. We have a Volvo semi-truck, and we did buy a turbo for that truck on Friday Parts because it was almost impossible to get. It's an older truck. It's a 2002 Volvo day cab truck, D12 engine. We got a turbo from them, and it was here in a matter of weeks, and the truck is still going after after 2 years. So yeah, let's get to testing these things. So I got some batteries in this torque wrench. I'm gonna set it to 75 foot-pounds, and I'm gonna put it up against our D-wells here that we usually use. So, you guys show you, so they're I'm going to set it to 75. We're at 75 foot-pounds. And I'm going to tighten this nut here with this socket. I didn't have a truck in the shop right now, so we're going to just tighten a nut on here, and that should give us a pretty even test on how accurate they both are. Okay, come on. A little bit tricky. The technology is a little interesting on this, but okay, I think I got it. Yeah, so I'm going to try to tighten this nut to 75, and then I'll put the D-bolt on there as well to see which ones tighten more or if they're both the same. There, you heard the beeper. That should be 75 foot-pounds. So let's switch over to the D-bolt. I'll do the same there. Set it to 75 and then see how that one does. Okay, so now we move over to the D-bolt. The D-bolt, as far as I can figure out, it has a higher torque setting. I don't know if the FridayParts one, it seems like it only goes up to 100 right now. I'll play with it a little more and see if I can get it up higher or not. But 100 torque or foot-pounds is what I'm getting at it right now. I have it set to 75. I did tighten it down to 75 with the FridayParts one. Here we have our D-bolt. I have it set to 75 foot-pounds as well. So there you go, there's the click. So it means it is at 75 foot-pounds. So now I want to do it backwards. I want to tighten it with this and check with the FridayParts one to see if there's a difference between the two, and just to see if one tightens more than the other. But it seems like they're both really dead on. So there you go. Nut is loose. See. So I will tighten it back up to 75 with this, and just see if the other one tightens more or less. So there's 75 right there. Switch to the FridayParts one. There we go, it's on. I have it set to 75 still. And just confirm that it's at 75. Let's see. Comes the beeping, so it slowly beeps as you get closer. There's 70, 75. So they both tighten, I would say, exactly identical. So I will list this in my description so you guys can go pick yourself one up. And yeah, they're about $80 US. I think they're on sale right now, so if you guys want one, I can confirm it's good quality and it does match the D-bolt that we have. And I believe this one goes for over 200, so that's a good bang for your buck. I will put the website in the description, the torque wrench, and also the hay tester. We're gonna go try it after this. Put it in some bales up against our other hay tester, and then we will see how it compares. So let's go over to test something. All right, so here we go. We got the Agrotronics HT Pro that we usually use. It's showing 8% right now, but that's just the lowest it can go. It's quite a bit longer, so I put them both side by side. Like, it's almost twice the length of the FridayParts one, but I actually really like how little this one is. A lot more compact to take in the tractor and store it. So we'll go over to the hay bales here and do some comparisons and then see. Here we got our stack of hay. So let's just see if we stick it in a bale here. I will try to stick them in about the same distance, but let's just go in here. So that one is showing right around 9.5 where it's sitting. And then let's grab this guy. It's showing 0 point something, but stick it in and I don't know how far that is, but so it's showing 7.5. See if I go right next to the Megatronics one, I can get it in. So we're at 8.0. This one's 9.3. See if I go right above the FridayParts one. See if we can get similar readings. So this one's showing 8.9, and that one's showing 8. So pretty close readings, I think. So yeah, 9.1 for that one, and 7.9, 7.8 for that one. So yeah, pick yourself up a good little moisture tester from FridayParts. I will leave the links in the description. Looks like it works great. We will be carrying it in our tractor this summer for sure, because we always bale with 2 tractors. So yeah, we will, this way we'll be able to test wherever each tractor is baling, and then that way we know how we're putting up our bales. So thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.